Hello students, I hope you are doing good. So in today's class we are going to start our revision, and we are going to start our revision from the chapter number 1, that is crop production and management. So you already know about crop. What is a crop? When same kind of plants are grown in a particular region is called a crop, or in a particular area is called a crop. When same kind of plants, है ना, जब बहुत सारे एक जैसे प्लांट्स जब ग्रो किए जाते हैं एक ही एरिया में या एक ही जगह में या एक ही रीजन में, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एक क्रॉप बोलते हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू सी दिस क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट. कैसे इसका प्रोडक्शन होता है एंड हाउ डू वी मैनेज दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स. ओके, सो for this we have to study about the agricultural practices which are being followed in the India or all over the world. So you already remember that I have made you study about that crops, that it was till 10,000 BCE people were nomadic. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food. Okay, but they ate raw fruits, vegetables, and started hunting animals for food. Later they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. इस तरीके से एग्रीकल्चर की शुरुआत हुई. So what is the crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale is called a crop. Okay, so next there are two types of crop. Mainly in India there are two types of crop. There are kharif crops and rabi crops. What kind of crops are kharif crops? The crops which are sown in the rainy seasons. जो rainy seasons में जो crop को sow किया जाता है या बोया जाता है, उन crops को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? kharif crops बोलते हैं. So what type of crops are sown in the rainy seasons? The crops like paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton are called kharif crops. इस टाइप की क्रॉप्स को हम लोग रेनी सीजन्स में बोते हैं, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स आर कॉल्ड kharif crops. And next type of crops are our rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter season. जो विंटर सीजन में क्रॉप्स जो बोई जाती है, so these type of crops are called rabi crops. What are the examples of rabi crops? Wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed. These type of crops are the example of kharif crops. So basic practices of crop productions are, in agricultural practices there are basic practices. So first of the practice, the first part comes preparation of soil. Okay, the second part comes sowing. The third part comes adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth one, irrigation. Fifth, protecting from weeds. Sixth, harvesting. And the last one is storage. So how do we prepare soil? We will start with the preparation of soil. So how do we prepare our soil? The preparation of soil is first step from before growing a crop. Okay, so we use a uh, we use a we use a what? Plow. Okay, we use a plow to prepare the soil. What do we do with the plow? What is the plow? This plow, here is an figure of the plow. Just check, I have already made you study about the plow. This part is inserted to the earth. Okay, this is the handle of the plow, or plow shaft we can say, which is used to pull the plow. Okay, and this turns the soil. ये क्या करता है? soil को turn कर देता है. Hence we say that our soil is plowed and it is prepared for being sown. Okay, after that the soil is sown using a okay, there are two more devices which we use for the plowing of soil. That is a cultivator and a hoe. Okay, so next process comes our sowing. Before sowing we have to select the seeds. Selection of seed is really very important for sowing, because if the seeds are not selected, the crops will not grow well. So how do we select seeds? The very basic method of selecting seed is to pour them in water. What happens when we pour the seeds into water? Some of the seeds float in water and some maximum of them sink. So the floating seeds are waste for us, we can say. They are damaged seeds and we can remove them. Okay, So in this way we can select the seeds for sowing. We will select only good seeds which have been sown, sorry which have been ड्रोन, जो डूब चुके हैं पानी में, वो वाली सीड्स हम लोग यूज करेंगे फॉर सोइंग. सोइंग इज डन यूजिंग अ ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ सोइंग. This is, you can say, traditional tool. This is a traditional tool which is used for sowing. Just have a look. In a plow, a pipe and a funnel is used which goes into the earth. जो किस में जाती है, अर्थ में जाती है. So this type of tool is used for sowing. Now in the modern days the sowing is done with the help of a seed roll. So this is the example of a seed roll. It is consist of a pipe, and this pipe, small pipes goes to the seed, to the earth. Here the seeds are sown. Okay. So the next process comes for adding manure and fertilizers. Why do we need to add manure and fertilizers to the soil? Because when crops are grown there, the nutrients of the soil are vanished with the crops, or the plants has used the nutrients of the soil. So to replenish the nutrients of the soil, we add some manures and fertilizers to the soil. Okay, thank you all.